On the day, news emerged that Western powers have reportedly told Syrian opposition to expect an airstrike within days to deter further use of chemical weapons. This footage was uploaded to the internet, purportedly showing the damaged Damascus suburb of Muadimia, where UN inspectors have been investigating allegations of a gas attack. Other clips found online reportedly show Syrian rebels attacking government tanks in the eastern Damascus suburbs of Zamalka and Jobar. Both videos, it's claimed, were filmed on Monday. Another clip, said to have been filmed in Canasir, claims to feature rebels firing at government positions and then entering a building formerly used by government forces. UN inspectors are still in Syria, despite reports of a sniper attack during their first attempt to investigate allegations of gas attacks. But on Tuesday, they were again forced to postpone their second attempt to get to the area. The US Defense Secretary has said publicly that the US military is ready to go if President Obama orders action in Syria.